3 in our little playlist here. Mr. Gordon talking you through some foundation questions to try and get that grade 5. This question is about you're getting the train, so you're commuting into work and you're getting the train, and you've got two companies that you can buy your tickets from, rail tickets and cheap train tickets. They're both selling tickets on the website. Each of the websites will add a credit card charge and a booking fee to the price of your ticket. All right, everybody wants a bit of money from you, so you've got to try and work out which of the two firms are going to give you the best deal. Okay, so let's have a look at the charges. Rail tickets, the credit card charge is 2.25% and the booking fee is 80 pence. So we've got 2.25%. That's quite an awkward one to work out. And on the right hand side, cheap trains, the credit card charge is 1.5% and the booking fee is £1.90. So we've got our worker here, Nadia. She wants to buy a train ticket. The ticket price is £60, so that's the original price of the ticket. She's going to look on both websites to find out which is the best one. She's paying with credit card, so she will be charged for using her credit card, which is kind of what happens. Okay, so let's start working out. The price of the ticket is £60, and that is 100% of the cost, £60. So the credit card charges are 2.25% and 1.5%. So a nice easy percentage to get, and a useful one, is to try and work out what 1% is. So we know that 100% is £60. We've got to divide 100 by 100 to get to 1. So dividing by 100, we do the same to this side, divide this by 100. Then this will be, if you can move your decimal place 2 places to the left, you'll know that dividing by 100 is going to give you 0.60. Or 0.6 pounds, better known as 60p. So that's 1%. Now, can we get from that, we can get a 0.5%, so we can get our 0.5%, simply by halving 1. Half of 1 is a half. Half of 60p is going to give us 30p. Then we might as well go for our 0.25%, because we need a quarter here, 0.25. So I'll get our 0.25% by halving again. So halving. What's half of 30p? 15p. So we've got our 1%, we've got our half, that's our 1.5 done. We've got our 0.25%, 0.25. We still need 2%. So if you want 2%, all you've got to do is double your 1%. 2 lots of 1% is 2%. 2 lots of 60p is going to be £1.20. So those are all of our percentages that we need for this question. I like to write them all up there so I can use them when I'm comparing. So let's have a look at each firm separately. We've got rail tickets first. So how much are they going to charge us? Well, it's £60 for the ticket. So I'll put it in pounds, £60. Plus our 2.25%. So I'm going to do this in stages. 2% was £1.20. So I'll write that in, £1.20. That's my 2% charge. Then I want my 0.25%, my 0.25%. That is 15p. So I'll write it in, lining up my decimal point. And the last thing I need to add on is the booking fee. Don't forget your booking fee, 80 pence. So we'll put that in there. That's the booking fee. Okay, booking fee. We can add this up to get our total cost. So nice and easy. We've got lots of zeros here. So we're going to get a 5 in this column. 2 and 8 makes 10. With the 1 makes 11. So 1, carry the 1. 1 and 1 makes 2. And we've got just 6 in this column. So that's going to be a total cost of £62, 15p for rail tickets. Cheap trains, how much are they charging? So again, £60 for the ticket. So I'll just put that in there, £60. 1.5%. So I know 1% from our list was 60p. 0.5% was 30p. So that's our 1% is there, and our 0.5% goes there. And our booking fee for this firm is £1.90. They're charging a little bit more on the booking side. So let's see, 0, 0, 0, 0, nice and easy. 6 and 3 makes 9, and 9 and 9 makes 18. So put that in there, carry the 1. And 1 and 1 makes 2, and the 6 again on its own, £62.80. So it's obvious now that we've done all our calculations that rail tickets, this is the cheap firm. Okay, you need to write this somewhere. So rail tickets is the better value. I'm running out of space, so I would like you to write this in much more of a sentence sort of fashion. Okay, so that was the best value. Looking at the prices, you might think, oh, it's only a saving of 65p. Who really cares about that? Well, if you're working in the city, I've done a few calculations for you. If you're working in the city for over 40 years, then that's going to save you, that 65p on average is going to save you over £6 grand in your career. All right, so it's a big saving, worth working out.